Hey you guys, welcome back. Thank you for tuning in once more and again, honey. Okay, as you can see, I am tackling this refrigerator on today. This refrigerator needed some love and attention, you guys. As you guys can see, I have no order or structure to my refrigerator. Now, there's a few things in life that I believe need to always have order and structure in order for your day to run smoothly. That would be my purse, my vehicle, and my refrigerator. Call it what you want to call it, honey, but if those three things is in order, I feel like my life makes much more sense. Okay? Because a clean house and a clean environment, a clean space, it just makes you think more better. It makes your day run more smoother. You don't have to fumble around looking and searching for things, but we all know life can get the best of us and we can get disorganized and clutter can happen. But we all know that when there's a will, there's a way, honey. And so if you have the purpose in your heart to go ahead and get something done, just tackle it right away. Okay. So in this video, I am just cleaning out the refrigerator. As you can see, there are some stains, some spillage in some areas. So I'm just going to wipe those areas down and restock my refrigerator in a more neatly and appropriate manner. So that way it's more pleasing. And when someone else opens the refrigerator, whether it's other family members or whoever may come over, they will automatically want to keep it together as well. Because people are more prone to take care of something that's already taken care of. So come along with me as I speed clean in this video, but in real life it took me about an hour to do this, so not too much time. What took the longest was organizing everything and just knowing where I wanted everything to go. And really quick, I want to go ahead and shout out my cousin Jada, Lynn. She did a similar video, and that's what inspired me to do this one. She's oh my gosh, she is so inspirational, you guys, and she gave me a lot of good tips in that video, which encouraged me to go ahead and do this. So I'm gonna link her video down below so you guys can go over and check out her channel. I'm using this pizza mat, was a pizza pan, to be my little lazy Susan. And one of her hacks, she did have I forgot what she used, but she used something circular to be a lazy Susan in her refrigerator, and I thought that was very handy to be able to utilize that to place things in a circular motion so you can be able to spin it to get the next thing rather than reaching over and grabbing and maybe spilling things into the refrigerator. I thought that was a great hack. So big ups to you, Jada, honey. Thank you for giving me that idea, girl, because I dang sure snatched it up. Okay, you guys, I really love this YouTube community because it gives you the opportunity to just connect with so many people and get so many ideas as a stay-at-home mom, or even a working mom, or a mompreneur, or just gives you so many great ideas when you have children, and life hacks and DIY projects and things that just make our lives so much smoother. Because all it takes is one idea to change your whole life. That's all it takes. Okay guys, so I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys enjoy the video. Please give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe if you have not already, and do not forget to hit that bell notification button so you do not miss a beat with the Warrens, honey. Okay. You guys, I never thought to write the expiration date on my eggs until I seen my cousin Jada do this. Oh my gosh, y'all, I did not think to do that. I always just try to remember my expiration date because I do use the egg trays to store my eggs. So big ups to you again, Miss Jada, honey. Keep up the videos, girl, because I am definitely watching and learning. You guys, make sure you check out my description box to check out her channel. Once again, thank you, honey. I know you guys are looking like, why don't I have nothing in my freezer? I don't buy a lot of frozen food, and I usually buy my dinner about the day or the day before and cook it the next day or the day of, so I don't waste a lot of food. So yeah, I never really have nothing in my freezer.